Hello my family, once again welcome back to Power of Mindset here. I want to show you how to verify your address. I have been having a challenge using the GPS location verification, and now I've succeeded in verifying my address. So remember, with Deriv, almost every year you have to re-verify your identity and address. So when I came here, so you can see they are saying your address has been verified, congratulations. But as for you, you find an option for GPS location verification. So in most times, or sometimes when you click on that and it doesn't work, you just know there is an issue either with your GPS location or the mobile data you could be using. However, I didn't know that could be the cause. I went on Deriv support. When I contacted them, they gave me these simple fixes. They said, please try these quick fixes for location checks. 1, turn on your precise or high accuracy location. Allow location permission for your browser site. This was already on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So my Wi-Fi was on, so you can see I had to switch it off, okay, and I remained with my mobile data. So then after that, they said update your browser. When I checked my Google Chrome, it was actually not updated, so I had to go to my Google Play Store. Let me show you. I went here on Google Play Store and I had to update it. Now it is already updated because this is my web browser. So you also have to update the web browser you are using. Right, so let's continue. So after fixing, another thing they said, make sure you set your date and time to automatic. I didn't do this. I just did this of updating my browser and switching off my Wi-Fi. Only those two. Then I went somewhere where I believe there was high internet speed or connection, and when I tried that, it immediately worked. So that's all you could be lacking to fix this issue if you are unable to verify your address using GPS location. Make sure that this GPS location is turned on, this one, okay?